thought that I'd be weak without you, but I'm stronger. You thought that I'd be broke without you, but I'm richer. You thought that I'd be sad without you, I love harder. You thought I wouldn't grow without you, now I'm wiser. You thought that I'd be helpless without you, but I'm smarter. You thought that I'd be stressed without you, but I'm chilling. You thought I wouldn't stand without you, so naive. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I know work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. Keep on surviving, I will survive, keep on surviving. Okay pa po ba kayo? Alright. Ay, grabe. Parang hindi ako titigil sa pagpawis sa concert na to talaga. Maraming salamat po again. To each and every one of you, I still cannot believe that we are here in the Araneta Coliseum. Thank you for making my dreams come true. And pwede ko naman sabihin na I worked to achieve my goals and I survived all the challenges along the way. But all of those would not have been possible if it weren't for your support, of course, the support of my parents, my family. We're all here. And I'd like to take this chance also to thank, of course, Mayor Army Alvarez. Maraming salamat po. Muñoz de Ecija, si Vice Mayor Nestor Alvarez, nandito rin po. Maraming salamat po. Kababayan namin sa Nueva Ecija on my dad's side. And Miss Rowena Dizon, thank you so much, Mommy Wang, to your family for all the support, and to Mr. and Mrs. Rexy Agbayani, maraming salamat po for all of your support. And again, thank you so much din po kay Sir Francis Libiran for allowing me to wear some of his creations for D10. And of course, thank you so much to our media and brand partners na nagtitiwala po sa akin again. To Bello, to Chowking, to Coke Zero. It's time to taste the best Coke ever. Nutriboost, maraming salamat din po to my Pen Shop family. maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. TNT, thank you so much. And of course, to Xiaomi, maraming salamat po. Alright. And a special thanks as well to Greatway Financial, Privé by Elos, and Heavenly Desserts by Chef Jeng. Let's give them all a round of applause, everyone. You know, my heart is so full. It's full of joy and gratitude. Pero minsan, syempre po kahit gaano tayo kasaya, gusto pa rin natin yung may konting nararamdaman na hugot. Di ba po? Mahilig po ba kayo sa mga hugot songs? Si DJ Jay talagang ang lakas ng sigaw niya kung narinig niyang hugot. Ate Darla, mahilig ka ba sa hugot songs? Hindi naman masyado. Ayan. So, sa lahat po ng mga gustong sumenti or makinig sa hugot songs, here are some songs that I have created in the past.
Alam.
And this next one specifically is one that I wrote back in 2021. And it's definitely a hugot song for me. And I released this back just this May 10th. So I hope you guys like it. And here it is. This is called Hanggang Kailan.
Oh,
favorite songs ko during the pandemic. Siyempre, ako po kahit na papaano, nagpalungkot na rin sa ilang mga Darenatics dito. Nakikita ko yung mga tweets nyo, mga Instagram posts nyo na I think pinapakinggan nyo kapag medyo down kayo, gusto nyo mag-senti. So, I dedicate all of these songs to you guys. Here they are. Nagsasawa na ata ako, pinaghihintay na naman ako. Nasa labas na ng bahay mo, naghihintay sa'yo. Oh, sama akong romantiko, magsaya ng oras sa'yo. Lagi na lang tinataguan mo, di naman naglalaro. Wala mo bang naisip na iba? Kasi parang hindi na rin kita nadarama. Unti-unti nawawala ng pag-asa, pero lumalaban pa rin kahit wala na. Itigil na lang natin, baby. Hindi na yata okay to, hindi na pwede. Ayokong masaktan ulit, ayoko nang lumuha pag maging biktima.
Picture.
Itigil na lang natin, baby. Hindi ko na gustong nangyayari sa atin. Hindi na ito, huwag natin naayusin pa. Gusto ko na mag-isa. Sorry na pero paalam. Pwede kong bang malaman, dahil ikaw pa rin nasa isip ko. Kahit na wala lumayo, ikaw pa rin ang nanaisip ko. Pabalik pa rin kahit magulo, ako'y babalik pa rin sa'yo. Bakit di matututo? Babalik pa rin sa'yo. Umaasa pa rin ako sa'yo. Sa'yo, sa'yo piling na bumabalik. Oh, sarili may akala hindi madaling ika'y limutin. Kahit na subukan pa, hindi na mabula. Sa isip at sa puso nandito ka. Oh, alam kong ikaw lang di mapapalitan. Di ko kayang matutunang magmahal na iba.
Babalik at babalik pa rin sa'yo at hindi na rin matututo. Babalik at babalik pa
Babalik, umasa pa rin ako. Sa'yo, sa'yo. Pilit na bumabalik. Babalik ng babalik, babalik ng babalik, pilit na bumabalik. Babalik ng babalik, babalik ng babalik, pilit na bumabalik. Babalik ng babalik, pilit na bumabalik.
Si Robby pala. Si Robby ba yun?
Babalik ng babalik, babalik ng babalik, pilit na bumabalik.
Sabi niya eh. Sabi niya ba? Si Robby na. Wow.
Yan, tapos tama na. Ang pabalik.